Good morning, dear students. Today we will start the miscellaneous exercise from question number 9. In question number 9, you have to find out let R with the relation from n to n is natural number to natural number and defined by R is equal to a comma b belongs to n and a is equal to b square. Are the following true? The first case is a comma a belongs to R. For all a belongs to n natural number. And second step is that is a comma b belongs to R implies b comma a belongs to R. In third one, a comma b belongs to R and b comma c belongs to R implies a comma c belongs to R. Justify your answer in each case. You have to justify in each case is this true or false. Now let us start the solution. First we will take the first part, that is given R is equal to a comma b belongs to natural number and a is equal to b square. This is the relation it is given. Now in first case, what is first case? This one. For first case we are solving here. A comma a belongs to R means in ordered pair both the elements are the same. A comma a. So for natural number you can take here 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, any number. Then here the definition is a comma b belongs to and that is equal to a equal to b square. If we are taking a 1 comma 1, then it is equal. 1 is equal to 1 square, that is equal. But they are saying it is valid for all the natural number. A belongs to and we can take in the place of a any term. So if we are taking here a is equal to 2, if a comma b is there, so we are taking here 2 comma 2. So that will, according to definition, it will come 2 is equal to 2 square. Is it possible? This is not possible because when we are taking 2 comma 2, because in first case a comma a. So in the place of b we will take here 2. 2 comma 2, then 2 definition is this one. So a equal to a square will come because we are taking a comma a. So 2 is not equal to 2 square. Therefore, no, because 2 is equal to 2 is not equal to this term 2 square. Therefore, it is false statement. It is false. They are asking justify it. So first one is false. So let us start the second one. In second one, again the definition is this one given. R is equal to a comma b belongs to n and a is equal to b square. And second case is if a comma b belongs to R implies b comma a belongs to R. Means if a comma b belongs to, you are taking two numbers a and b and that is equal to a equal to b square. Is it possible when we are interchanging these two pairs, means domain changing into range and range changing into domain, then it is equal? Is this equal or not? So let us start the solution. If we are taking here a comma b, in the a comma b we are taking here 9 comma 3. First case, when we are taking here 9 comma 3, so it will become 9 is equal to 3 square. That is 9 equal to 9. But according to second case, this one second case, they are saying if we are taking a comma b belongs to R, then b comma a belongs to R. So let us interchange it b comma a. So it will come 3 comma 9. So it will come definition according to a equal to b square, that is 3 equal to 9 square. So it is not possible. 3 is not equal to 81. Therefore this case is also false. No, because a comma b belongs to R but b comma a is not belongs to R. This is the reason for the second case. So it is also false. This statement is also false. Now solve the third one. The third one is if R is equal to a comma b and n is equal to ab square. The third case is a comma b belongs to R and b comma c A comma B belongs to R means A is equal to B square according to this, and B comma C belongs to R means B equal to C square. Then you have to show this they are equal or not. So let us take the example. Let the example is in the place of A comma B we are taking here 16 comma 4. So according to definition A is equal to B square, so 16 equal to 4 square, so implies 16 equal to 16. And second example, that is B comma C, so let it be B comma C, let it be 4 comma 2, so implies 4 square, 4 is equal to 2 square, that is also equal 4 equal to 4. But in third implies A comma C belongs to R. What is A here? That is 16. What is C here? That is 2. So implies A comma C. What is A? In the place of A we will put 16. In the place of C we will write here 2. So implies according to definition 16 equal to 2 square. That is not possible. No, 16 is not equal to 4. Therefore this statement is also false. First statement is also false, second is also false, and third is also false. The reason is this one. Now you can write here it is false because A comma B belongs to R. You can write here after this A comma B belongs to R. A comma B belongs to R. B comma C belongs to R. But A comma C doesn't belong to R. Therefore, it is false. This is the solution of question number 9. Now, continue with the question number 10. In question number 10, let A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is 1, 5, 9, 11, 15, 16. Two sets are given here, that is set A and set B, and this F is also given. F means function is also given, that is 1, 5, 2, 9, 3, 1, 4, 5, 2, 11. Are the following true? You have to show that these terms are true. First is F is a relation from A to B, and second is F is a function from A to B. Yes, F is a relation from A to B means first of all we have to find out the Cartesian product A cross B. If all the elements of set F are present in A cross B, then we can say that F is a relation from A to B. And second case we have to prove that F is function from A to B. This is F. Is this function or not? Now let us start the solution. Now first of all, given A and B, now we have to find out A cross B. This is Cartesian product. Now A cross B will come here 1, 1. After that 1, 5. Then 1, 9. 1, 11. 1, 15. 1, 16. And after that second order pair 2, 5. 2, 9, 2, 11, 2, 15 and 2, 16. And third one is 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 3, 9, 3, 11, 3, 15 and 3, 16. After that 4, 1, 4, 5, 4, 9, 4, 11, 4, 15, 4, 16. After that, yes, this is the relation. Now, this is A cross B. Now you can see here 1, 5, 1, 5 is present here, 2, 9 is also present here, 3, 1 that is also here, 4, 5 and 2, 11. This is 2, 11. So all the elements are present in A cross B. So we can say that yes, The definition of function is that A has only one and only one image, but here 2 has two image, that is 9 and 11. So it is not a function. So we will write here since pairs 2, 9 and 2, 11 has two images, that is 9 and 11. Means this it is repeated, it contain the object 2 contain 2, 9 and 2, 11. The object 2 contain two images. The object 2 contain two images, that is 9 and 11. Therefore, f is not a function from A to B, because 2 contain two images, that is 9 and 11. So f is not a function from A to B. After that you can write here f is not a function from A to B. This is the solution of this question, 10th question. Now come to the question number 11. Now in question number 11, let f be a subset of z cross z and defined by f is a, b and a plus b such that a comma belongs to z. Is f is a function from z to z? Justify your answer. Now you have to show that is f is a function from this z to z. Now let us start the solution. Given f is equal to a comma b, ab comma a plus b. This is the ordered pair a comma b. AB comma a plus b such that AB belongs to z. It is given. So for solving this, let A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 2. We are taking any digit because A comma B belongs to Z. So we are taking here A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 2. Now according to this, it will come for AB. If we are taking here A is equal to 3, it will come AB is equal to first pair, that will come 3 into 2, that is equal to 6, and A plus B, that will come 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So AB comma A plus B, that is coming here 6 comma 5. This is the first pair. Now we will solve this. Let the second example here, A is equal to 6 and B is equal to 1. So we will solve this. It will come AB comma A plus B. So according to this, it will come 6 into 1 comma 6 plus 1. So you can see here it will come 6 comma 7. Now you can see here the 6 has two images, that is 5 and 7. Because we are taking here example A, 3 and B, you can take any digit. So if we are taking this one, so 6 comma 5 and 6 comma 7. Therefore, the object 6 has two images, that is 5 and 7. Therefore, it is not a function, because you know that for function the set A has one and only one image. So this is false. F is not a function from Z to Z. This is the solution of question number 11. Now come to the question number 12. Now in question number 12, let A is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and F says that A to N be defined by f of n, the highest prime factor of n. Find the range. Now you have to find out the range. What is given? A is given, that is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and F says that A to n. Defined by what is the definition? Defined function, that is the highest Now we have to take here n all these elements. Let us start the solution. It will come given f of n is equal to the highest prime factor of n, so it will come, first we will put here f of 9. So what is the highest prime factor of 9? That is the factor of 9, highest prime factor is 3. And after that f of 10, yes, the prime factor of 10 is 2 and 5. So what higher prime factor is, that is 5. And here f of 11, the highest prime factor of 11 is 11, because according to this definition. Now f of 12, yes, the highest prime factor of this term is 3. And f of 13, the highest prime factor of 13 is, that is 13. So we can write here f is equal to, function will come, the image of 9 is 3, so 9 comma 3, image of 10 is 5, image of 11 is 11, the image of 12 is 3, and image of 13 is 13. So from this you can find out the range. So range of the function is, you know what is domain and what is range. The first element is known as domain and second is known as range. So here range of the function is second element 3, 5, 11, 13, because 3 is coming 2 times. So this is the solution of question number 12. Now in this question you have to find out the range, and the function is f of x equal to 3 upon 2 minus x square. For range, to find range, you know that first step is let y is equal to f of x. Every time when you have to find out the range, you will take first let y is equal to f of x. Now y is equal to, what is the value of f of x? That is 3 upon 2 minus x square. Now cross multiply, it will come 2y minus x square, y is equal to 3. After that we will take here common, it will come x square y, that side, that will come 2y minus 3 is equal to this term x square y. Now we have to find out the value of x square. The value of x square will come 2y minus 3 upon y. This is the value of x square. Now the value of x is, it will come 2y minus 3 upon y under the root. Now for x is real, therefore 2y minus 3 is greater than equal to 0 and y is greater than 0. Here 2y is greater than equal to 3, so y is greater than equal to 3 by 2 and y is greater than 0. So range of this question is, the range is equal to closed interval, because this is greater than equal to 3 by 2. This is the sign of greater than equal to. So closed interval 3 by 2 comma infinity. Finite term, positive terms are coming here. So this is the range of this question. Now in this question you have to find out the range of f of x equal to 1 minus modulus of x minus 2. So let us start the solution. How I find out the range? Here you know that it is clearly, you know that modulus function is greater than equal to 0. So mod of x minus 2 is greater than equal to 0. Here minus of modulus x minus 2. So when you will multiply this modulus sign, modulus term with negative, then inequality sign will change. Greater than equal to, that will change into less than equal to. Now here 1 minus, so we will add here both side 1 minus mod of x minus 2 less than equal to 1, because if we are adding both side 1, so 0 plus 1, that will come 1. After that, this is the value of f of x. So f of x is less than function, the maximum values here less than equal to 1 means negative terms will come. That is minus infinity to this is 1 and this is the sign of less than equal to, so it will come close in term. So this is the solution of this question. Now in this question you have to find out the domain of f of x equal to x cube minus x plus 3 upon x square minus 1. Let us start this solution. Given f of x is equal to x cube minus x plus 3 and for domain you have to find out this value. Now x square minus 1 is not equal to 0. If it will come 0 then it is not defined. So solve it, it will come x minus 1 into x plus 1. That is not equal to 0. The value of x is minus 1 and 1. The value of x will come minus 1 and 1 and that is not equal to this one. So domain of the function will come, domain is equal to all real number except these two, that is r of minus, this is sign of r minus, this will not come, minus 1 comma 1. This is the solution of this question. In this question you have to find out the range and express the function as set of ordered pair f such that x to r. F of x is given x cube plus 1 and x is given this one, means the element of the domain are this and you have to find out the range. Now let us start the solution. Given f of x is equal to x cube plus 1. Now we will put the value of x here when x is equal to minus 1. Then f of x will come, f of minus 1 will come minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 1. It will come 0 because it is minus 1 and plus 1. When x is equal to 0, then it will come f of 0, that will come 1. And when x is equal to 3, in the place of this we will put the value here. It will come 3 raised to power 3 plus 1. So it will come 27 plus 1, that is 28. Now when x is equal to 7, so it will come f of 7. The value of this one come x 7 cube plus 1. So 7 cube is 343 plus 1, that is 344. And then last one is when x equal to 9. So it will come f of 9 is equal to 9 raised to power 3 plus 1. That is 729 plus 1, 730. So the function is minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 3 to 28, 7 to 344 and 9 to 730. So the range of the function is range equal to 0, 1, 28, 344 and 730. This is the solution of this question.